Arts and Humanities, Unit Number 2, Lecture Number 4, Topic Number 2, Educational Psychology, Psychology of Teaching and Learning Content. 1. Psychology. 2. Meaning of psychology. 3. Definition of psychology. 4. Major branches of psychology. Educational psychology, DEFINITION, SCOPEUTILITY. Psychology. Psychology is an academic and scientific study of mental processes and behavior. Psychologists study such concepts as perception, cognition, emotion, personality, behavior, interpersonal relationships, and the individual and collective unconscious. Psychology also refers to the application of such knowledge to various spheres of human activity, including issues related to daily life, e.g., family, education, and work, and the treatment of mental health problems. Psychology includes many subfields of study and application concerned with such areas as human development, sports, health, industry, media, law. Psychology is the science of the intellects, characters, and behavior of animals, including man. Human education is concerned with certain changes in the intellects, characters, and behavior of men, its problems being roughly included under these 4 topics: aims, materials, means, and methods. Meaning of psychology. Psyche equals soul, mind. Logos equals word, science, study, discourse. Psychology as the science of soul. Psychology as the science of mind. Psychology as the science of consciousness. Psychology as the science of behavior. Definition of psychology. W. B. Kolesnik. Psychology is the science of human behavior. C. V. Good defines. Psychology is the study of adjustments of organism, especially the human organism, to changing environment. Psychology is a pure science. It is empirical, experimental. It is a systematic study. It uses measurements and tools of measurement. It has definitions of terms. Major branches of psychology. Abnormal psychology deals with behavior disorders and disturbed individuals. For example, researchers might investigate the causes of violent or self-destructive behavior, or the effectiveness of procedures used in treating an emotional disturbance. Clinical psychology uses the understandings derived from developmental and abnormal psychology to diagnose and treat mental disorders and adjustment problems. Some clinical psychologists work to develop programs for the prevention of emotional illness or conduct basic research on how individuals can better cope with the problems of daily life. Educational psychology attempts to improve teaching methods and materials, to solve learning problems, and to measure learning ability and educational progress. Researchers in this field may devise achievement tests, develop and evaluate teaching methods, or investigate how children learn at different ages. Industrial psychology is concerned with people at work. Industrial psychologists investigate such matters as how to make jobs more rewarding or how to improve workers' performance. They also study personnel selection, leadership, and management. Organizational psychology is a closely related field. Social psychology studies the social behavior of individuals and groups, with special emphasis on how behavior is affected by the presence or influence of other people. Social psychologists concentrate on such processes as communication, political behavior, and the formation of attitudes,